Yeah, someone with Jamaica have to go past 80 for them realize what we are go through. Miss Stone them no want nobody with help prisoner in the prison. If a super believe in reform, them transfer him every minute. If people out of society come on board and them see them start help you, them stop them. Where is the man who build the studio and the computer lab, Mr. Kevin Wallin and Deandra Colleen? Where are they now? Them can't enter the prison anymore because them a help prisoner be a better person. The studio could have bring in money and help funds correctional service, you know. But through prisoner is a business, they make money off a prisoner. They make money off of violence. So them no want to reform. Where is Mr. Kevin Wallin and Deandra Colleen and them build the studio? Where is Miss Vivian Nash and Miss Maureen lately were used to help inmate? Them no want nobody will help inmate. You know why? Them want Carla Golata come and try for ban inmate and homosexual. And through that now work, no reform now go on. We are big man, we are live our own life, them a live for them life. And that for one make the prison get messy. The other day, the commissioner, Mr. Rowe, agreed for us to get food along with all the superintendent. And Miss Stone denied the inmate them a proper meal. And look from when Brogard said the country free up. Brogard just look from when he said the country free up. And now inmate now get a proper meal. Miss Stone denied. I don't know how this lady have so much power. Fear breed criminal, abuse water, continue to abuse prisoner, incite homosexuality upon prisoner, and she still have her job. Miss Stone inmate have cancer, HIV, herpes, syphilis, high blood pressure, diabetes, lupus, you name it. And Miss Stone, the deputy commissioner, are denying inmate home cooked meal that the doctor recommended. Now talking about the incite homosexuality, I heard 3 youth escape from down at Royal Corbury. And trust me, these youth would have faced it wicked. You remember the 22 youth that was sexually abused against them will down there? Some of them went home and some of them reached a prison. And the sexual ordeal continue and some of these youth from dirty shithouse prisoner and 1 and 2 warder. Because me nah hold back. 1 and 2 warder. And Miss Stone aware of that and do nothing about it. Whenever a prisoner catch prisoner, report it. If you saw them deal with him and tell him same for minding business, but it's when a warder catch warder do it. A big thing. And Miss Stone draw for them down at the head office. Big up the real warder them down at the head office. Big man down there. Miss Stone, how that warder have him work? Well left from outer road come sexually abuse a little boy in the prison. But the warder will carry 5 pack of whistler come here lose him work. Eh? I no venticate, me I venticate for trafficker. Me just show you the reality. Inmate being, the evidence is there. Inmate being sexually abused, tell them, and physical abuse, them a jump in front of the hospital side way. The suicide rate on Miss Stone watch and A.D. Brown as a superintendent between 2017 and 2019 around 8 to 9 who were in a sexual abuse being physical abuse. And there is no reform in the prison. Everything me state it unequivocally. Bro God, look at this. The teacher help you to reach where you are, a leader of our country. The fireman, if a house a burn down in the ghetto, them can't find 1 fire truck. But me know if a resident near you or you're a resident and fire, all 10 fire truck there. The nurses and the doctor do the surgery and the nurses take care of the rest. And these people we are talking about. The police who are risk them life out there on frontline duty or fight some criminal when they have any feelings. The police are risk them life for stipend. And you treat them like shit on both heel. But the deputy commissioner who are breeding criminal upon these people being paying huge. No, listen this now. You take up habitual murderer, habitual raper, habitual shooter, habitual robber, habitual human trafficker, habitual pedophile, habitual child abuser. And listen this now. Confused man, madman, See that you take up all type of baggage and you throw them upon correctional officers. Boom. With little pay. I expect correctional officer to make them people ya better. Where did that create me in a society? No program, no pay when mountain time come, and you expect correctional officer to be effective. How can people be restive and effective? Mr. Commissioner, Mr. Anderson, a basket you have a car go fill with water because you cannot pay. You can't make you pay police. Me can't see that too. You pay police typing for breed, for risk them life on frontline duty, for stipend, and I pay the deputy commissioner huge sum for breed criminality. It's a shame, bro, God, man. It's a shame, man. These things need to be looked into. I mean, I want you, me as a convicted murderer. You know, listen to me. Look on over hostel. Millions of dollars spent. Millions of dollars spent over hostel. Go look on it. Where the money there. Brickyard, you used to have the beer lumber over there. Cedar, man, carve out the furniture them for come making at the prison. Agriculture, go on over there. Chicken rearing, goat rearing, pig rearing. All of them things they stop. Dean Jackson Miller, me I beg you, please ask Miss Stone what she have done for the prison. I mean, I like you ask the next commissioner we are forward, what is his vision? Because you have a plan for prisoner. Because the only plan they have for prisoner is to sell them. Because prisoner is a business and they make money off a prisoner, so nobody no care. Nobody care. Father Sykes, may I beg you, please, may I implore you, Mr. Sykes. A regular, me listen to you, you address a case, and you lecture inmates so them can be a better person. But Chief, trust me, you want forward down your face wagwan. You come here as dog and you left as gorilla and crocodile.